Have you ever felt like you're not the actual owner of your farm, but just its most overworked ranch hand? You are up way before the crack of dawn, boots deep in the mud, knowing that the relentless cycle of feeding and watching over your livestock doesn't take a single day off. I know that frustration, missing a family cookout, a Saturday morning game, or just needing an extra hour of sleep because the budget won't allow for a hired hand and the animals don't know what a holiday is. That is why today, I am bringing you 10 applied engineering and low-cost automation ideas that can help you take back control of your time and your freedom. We are breaking down practical solutions that will make your farm work for you while you reclaim the moments that actually matter. Stick around until the end, because today we are designing the smart system that will let you be a top-tier producer without sacrificing your personal life in the process. Let's dive in. Gravity-fed watering, ending the bucket brigade. The first major bottleneck that drains the energy of any producer is water management. Spending hours hauling heavy 5-gallon buckets or dragging frozen hoses to fill troughs that get contaminated in minutes is an inefficiency we simply cannot afford if we want to scale our homestead. The ultimate technical fix doesn't involve more muscle. It is about leveraging the law of gravity and the strategic use of low-cost float valves. Imagine a centralized system where a single elevated 275-gallon IBC tote or a recycled food-grade drum feeds a network of 1-inch PVC lines running to every section of your barns. By installing automatic nipple drinkers or cup waterers with float valves, you ensure your livestock has access to fresh, biologically secure water 24/7 without you ever lifting a finger. The physics here is simple but powerful. By elevating your main tank, you create a constant head pressure that keeps the entire line primed. For those of you in the northern states, adding a simple 120 volts heat tape or a submersible de-icer to the tank ensures your lines don't freeze when the mercury drops below zero. This system doesn't just save you 90 minutes of backbreaking labor every day, it drastically cuts down on respiratory and digestive issues because the water stays in a closed loop, protected from dust, droppings, and environmental pathogens. It is basic hydraulic engineering put to work for your profitability and, more importantly, your peace of mind. Smart feeding, gravity systems that protect your bottom line. The second most urgent challenge is feed management, which accounts for up to 70% of your operating costs. If you are still broadcasting grain by hand in open troughs, you are essentially letting waste and contamination eat your profits. The move here is to build high-capacity gravity feeders using 4 or 6-inch PVC pipes or recycled 50-pound mineral buckets. By designing a gravity drop system with a protected discharge port, perhaps using a 45-degree Y fitting, you turn a daily chore into a once-a-week task. But the real game-changer for American farmers is varmint-proofing. In our neck of the woods, raccoons and opossums are notorious for raiding open feeders at night. Implementing a simple treadle-style pedal or a weighted lid ensures that only your livestock accesses the nutrients, effectively locking out the local wildlife. From an operational standpoint, this means those high-stress mornings of rushing to feed hundreds of animals are gone. Now you can spend that valuable time on technical supervision or studying new genetic crosses, knowing your animal's nutrition is handled by a high-efficiency system that doesn't need you standing there. By dialing in this design, you will see feed waste drop by 25%, meaning this setup pays for itself within the first month by keeping the grain in the birds and out of the dirt. Solar-powered borders, the unbeatable solar guardian. Escaped livestock wandering into the neighbor's cornfield or a midnight visit from a pack of coyotes or stray dogs are the kind of emergencies that destroy your peace of mind and lead to huge repair bills or losses. Keeping traditional wood or barbed wire fences in top shape is a never-ending job of post-pounding and wire tensioning that eats up your weekends. The most advanced and efficient technical solution for this is high-tensile electric fencing powered entirely by solar energy. Unlike heavy physical barriers, this system creates a powerful psychological fence that trains the livestock to respect the property line with almost zero maintenance once it's dialed in. By integrating a solar fence charger with its own deep cycle battery and charge controller, the system becomes fully autonomous and doesn't depend on the grid, which is a major strategic advantage in rural areas where the power can be touch and go. This doesn't just let you patrol the fence lines less, it gives you the technical ability to practice managed intensive grazing, MIG, moving your polywire lines in minutes so your animals are always on the best quality forage, which improves your weight gains without needing extra farmhands. It's like having an electronic sentinel that never sleeps, allowing you to leave the farm with total confidence that your property is locked down and your animals are exactly where they're supposed to be, protected by a system you built to run for years on nothing but sunlight. Rollaway nesting, protecting your golden eggs. Egg collection is rewarding, but it consumes a massive amount of time if it isn't optimized, not to mention the constant risk of broken or dirty eggs that kill your profit margins. The hassle of checking nests 3 times a day to prevent egg eating or skid marks is solved by Rollaway nesting box design. By building your nesting units with a precise 7-degree pitch toward a rear collection channel, the egg gently rolls away into a protected, foam-lined compartment the second it is laid. This industrial design tweak removes the need to constantly enter the coop, which reduces stress on your hens and guarantees top-tier hygiene. From a process efficiency standpoint, you are consolidating your entire production into a single external access point. Now, instead of hunting through every nesting box and dodging broody hens, you simply walk to the back of the barn, open an external tray, and pull out clean, grade A eggs ready for market. You've turned a scattered, delicate chore into a centralized logistics process that saves you hours of scrubbing and grading every week. Plus, by keeping the eggs away from the nesting material, you cut shell bacteria to almost zero, increasing the shelf life of your product and boosting your reputation with your most demanding customers. Supplemental lighting, solar power for year-round production. Finally, we have to talk about light cycle optimization, which is the biggest factor in poultry productivity during those short winter days. We know that for peak laying, birds need about 16 hours of light, but depending on manual switches means you are a slave to a rigid, inconvenient schedule. The smartest, most sustainable solution is installing low-draw LED lighting kits powered by a small solar station with an integrated digital timer. By programming these lights to kick on a few hours before dawn and stay on just past dusk, you eliminate the production dips caused by the change of seasons or those dark, overcast winter weeks. Using solar power means zero impact on your utility bill, and the digital timers act as your permanent stand-in for coop management. You are creating a controlled, professional production environment where technology maintains biological output at 100%, while you use those gained hours to rest or plan your next expansion. By stabilizing the light, you prevent your birds from going into an unseasonal molt, ensuring your egg flow stays consistent even when the neighbor's flock has shut down for the winter. Each of these systems we have covered acts like a specialized employee working for free, allowing you to move from being an exhausted laborer to the strategic manager of a modern, autonomous, and highly profitable farm. If there is one critical factor that bottlenecks your growth and physically chains you to the barn, it's managing water for large livestock. Watching a group of cows, pigs, or horses drain a trough in minutes and having to stand there, hose in hand, waiting for it to refill is a massive waste of time that you should be spending on the high-level planning of your farm business. The ultimate technical fix is the implementation of high-flow watering systems using recycled 55-gallon food-grade drums or 275-gallon IBC totes equipped with protected high-pressure float valves. The engineering here isn't just about filling a container, it's about guaranteeing a constant flow that can handle peak demand without those messy overflows that waste your precious water, which is a vital resource across North America. By installing industrial-grade float valves, like the ones from Jobber or Hudson, into large-capacity stock tanks, you create a system where the water is always waiting for the animal and not the other way around. But the real secret to this system is the physical protection of that valve. You have to build a shroud or a heavy-duty box made of concrete or reinforced steel over the float to prevent a curious steer or a playful horse from headbutting the mechanism and snapping it off. Additionally, by connecting this to a main gravity tank or a pressurized line, you eliminate the need for manual monitoring and ensure your large livestock has access to clean, fresh water 24/7, even while you're off the property handling other business. Hydraulic hygiene, high-impact gravity flush systems. The most exhausting, unsanitary, and expensive chore in pig farming or cattle stabling is, hands down, manual manure management. Spending 3 or 4 hours a day shoveling waste isn't just a back killer, it drives your labor costs through the roof, which is something any producer looking for efficiency needs to optimize through smart system design. The solution isn't to hire more hands, it's to apply some smart engineering to your barn floors so that the cleaning becomes nearly automatic. By pouring your concrete pads with a calculated pitch or drop of 3 to 5% toward a central drainage channel, you're letting gravity do about 70% of the heavy lifting for you every single day. The pro move here is the flush system, which involves a quick discharge tank situated at the highest point of the barn that can dump a massive volume of water in seconds. When you pull that 4-inch or 6-inch gate valve, you release a controlled wave of water that sweeps every bit of waste into an external manure pit or a lagoon in under 5 minutes, keeping the area spotless without any backbreaking scraping. This hydraulic sweep is incredibly efficient and allows you to process that waste later as liquid fertilizer, essentially liquid gold, that boosts your farm's bottom line. This technique keeps your pen's surgical grade clean, cuts down on fly populations and disease, and turns a whole morning of extreme physical labor into a simple flip of a lever that you can do before you even finish your first cup of coffee. Bulk storage, varmint-proofing your bottom line. One of the biggest leaks in a diversified farm's budget is the loss of feed stored in traditional 50-pound bags. Raccoons, rats, and even humidity can ruin up to 15% of your annual investment in animal nutrition, which is a massive hit to your profitability. To fix this, you need to think like an industrial engineer and build hermetic silos using recycled IBC totes or heavy-duty polyethylene tanks. By modifying these containers with a sealed top entry port and a custom-built conical bottom fitted with a steel sliding gate, you create a gravity-feed storage environment that is 100% impenetrable for North American varmints. The real economic advantage here is that it gives you the leverage to buy feed in bulk or by the ton from your local feed mill, which significantly slashes the price per pound by cutting out the bagging and retail markup. Furthermore, by automating the grain discharge through gravity, you completely eliminate the need to lug heavy bags every morning. You just slide the bucket under the gate, pull the handle, and get the exact ration you need in seconds. It's a low-cost infrastructure upgrade that shields your cash from the weather and the critters, ensuring every ounce of feed you paid for actually ends up in your animals while saving you time and physical wear and tear on your body. Solar-powered lockdown, the guardian that never sleeps. The sundown anxiety is something every farmer knows by heart. That mandatory commitment to be home exactly at dusk to lock the doors and protect your investment from predators is one of the heaviest chains on a homestead. However, modern automation gives us a professional, low-cost solution: automatic electronic doors with solar sensors. You don't need to be an electrical engineer to set this up. These days, you can find linear actuators and solar charge controllers that install in under 30 minutes. By configuring a system that triggers when the light hits a certain lumen threshold, your coop door will seal tight and secure all on its own, opening back up with the first rays of the morning sun. This isn't a luxury. It is an essential risk management tool that allows you to have a normal social life. Imagine the freedom of staying late for a dinner out or a movie, knowing your flock is locked up tight because a logic sensor already did the job for you. You are replacing physical surveillance with a technical solution that doesn't get distracted, doesn't get tired, and won't miss a beat. For those of us in areas with coyotes or foxes, these doors provide a heavy-duty mechanical latch that a predator simply cannot bypass, giving you a level of security that manual latching often fails to provide. Flow engineering, one-man livestock handling chutes. The last big hurdle for the average farmer is the absolute need for a crew just to move, vaccinate, or sort large animals. Coordinating people, dealing with stubborn cows, and avoiding injuries is one of the most stressful parts of daily farm life, especially when you're trying to run a high-efficiency operation. The engineering fix here is the design of technical handling chutes or alleys, with one-way no-bag gates and spring-loaded latches. These gates are configured to swing open as the animal pushes through and then gently slam shut behind them, preventing them from backing out or turning around in the chute. By designing your corrals with this logistics valve concept, you can work an entire group of steers or hogs all by yourself, without any yelling, prodding, or extra payroll. The animals flow naturally and calmly toward the head gate or the scale, guided by the logic of the alley's design rather than by brute force. This operational autonomy gives you total power over your own schedule. You no longer have to wait for the neighbors or hired help to show up to get the heavy work done. Now you can manage your entire production unit with the precision of a watchmaker. You've turned raw muscle into smart logistics, getting done in minutes what used to take hours of wrestling, and finally reclaiming the most valuable asset you have: your own time. Automation isn't a luxury reserved for the big corporate ag firms. It is a survival tool for the producer who values their time and their sanity in today's competitive market. We've walked through 10 heavy-hitting solutions that prove that with a bit of barnyard engineering and smart design, it's possible to turn a farm that consumes you into a smart production unit that finally sets you free. At the end of the day, a farmer's success isn't measured by how much sweat they leave in the dirt, but by the technical wisdom they use to protect their investment and the time they save for what really matters. Don't let the daily grind rob you of the chance to be a modern, successful producer. Start with one small change today, and tomorrow your farm will be the one working tirelessly for you. If this video helped you see a smarter, more technical way to run your homestead, hit that subscribe button and share this with a fellow producer who's on the verge of burnout. Let me know in the comments which one of these 10 problems is your biggest headache right now so we can keep building practical solutions together. To your success, fellow producer. I'll see you on the next one.